Welcome to the Zenix Hospital in-service tutorial video series. This series provides detailed information about the Zenix defibrillator monitor and its functionality. These videos serve as an additional resource to formal training. Please take time to read the operator's guide available online at zoll.com. Obtain formal training from an appropriate authority before using Zenix for patient care. In this video, we review the synchronized cardioversion feature of the Zenix defibrillator monitor. To initiate synchronized cardioversion, place therapy electrodes on the patient and ensure they are connected to the device. Review the module on electrode best practices to learn more. To perform a synchronized cardioversion, you must use the sync key located in the action bar while the device is in manual mode. Select the sync key, which will turn blue, and sync cardioversion will display in the window. Note the white arrows will mark the R wave of each ECG complex. Choose the desired cardioversion energy using the Energy Select key. Next, press the Charge button. Finally, press and hold to deliver the shock. If Zenix needs to be disarmed at any time when charged for a cardioversion, select the red disarm key located on the right of the defibrillation dashboard. You can also disarm the device by using the Energy Select key to change the energy. In addition, the device will automatically disarm after 60 seconds. We have now reviewed the synchronized cardioversion features of the Zenix defibrillator monitor.